I'm sure we all have a plain white tee somewhere in our wardrobe. Hey everybody, I'm Sarah from the Style Blog, and today I'm going to show you different ways to style these plain white t-shirts, including some ways you probably never even thought of. So my go-to casual look styling my plain white tee is to just throw on some black leggings and a jean jacket around my waist. This takes such a minimal amount of effort and looks really chic. Plus, if you're out and about and you get a little bit chilly, you can just throw on your jean jacket and you have a whole other look. I also love to pair this look with a fitted athletic jacket in a different color. This one is a nice, fun blue color, and this just makes your outfit look a little sportier and no one has to know that you didn't actually work out before this. Plus, I'm definitely a fan of tying anything around my waist, especially if I was wearing a white shirt that didn't quite cover up my bottom all the way. Alright, next up, I've just paired my same white t-shirt with these distressed light wash jeans and some sneakers. I like the white sneakers because they kind of play off the top and give me a more casual look, especially with the light wash distressed denim. So I'm sure I don't need to explain this to you, but I'm going to anyway. A French tuck is just where you take the very front part of your shirt and then you tuck it into your pants or skirt, whatever you have on bottom, and then you leave the rest out. If you've been around my channel for a little while, you know this is my preferred way to wear my tops. I feel like it just elevates your look with very minimal effort. Also, don't be afraid to throw a jean jacket or a casual cardi over this as well. Okay, next up, I traded out my light wash distressed denim for a darker, dressier, less casual pair of denim pants. And then I'm still doing my French tuck, which is my favorite look with the shirt. So I also just threw on a cardigan over the top. This is a nice cozy knitted cardigan. It's semi-casual, a little bit dressy. I like this with pretty much any of my looks. And of course you could throw on the white sneakers again to make this look a little bit more casual, or I think I'm going to go with my leather pointed toe flats to make this look a little bit dressier. Alright, so next up I have tucked my shirt all the way in, no French tucks for me this time. I left on my dark denim skinny jeans, however you could change to black skinny pants, whatever you feel like. This is just a dressier look. I feel like you could wear this to an office job, no problem. And then I've thrown on my favorite blazer over the top and just rolled the cuffs one time. So I love to pair this with my favorite pointed toe flats. However, if I'm feeling a little bit sassy, I'll roll the cuff of my jeans or pants up once and then pair them with my favorite closed-toed booties. Don't forget to try out different necklaces, earrings, belts, and shoes to make all of these outfits look different every time you wear them. Alright, next, I love a great bodycon midi skirt. However, this top just doesn't look cute like this, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So here's how I prefer to tie my shirts up. So I gather all the excess material off to one side of my hip here. I twist it all the way around until the entire piece is twisted. And then I take my finger and I wrap it around my finger and pull it through the middle. This to me just gives a chic tie-up look. So if you're wanting a more casual look, definitely pair it with the sneakers, especially I could see this for like a mini golf outing, something like that. Or if you're wanting a little more sassy look, definitely break out those booties. If I'm wanting to feel sassy, I always break out my booties, every time. I love this look for a casual night out with the girls, a date night, or even an office look. It's so versatile. Next up, don't be afraid to slip on your plain white t-shirt underneath your favorite summer dresses to make them a little bit more appropriate for fall. I like to go through my wardrobe at the end of summer and kind of see which dresses can transition to fall. So this is my more neutral colors, not quite the bright colors, and I love transitioning my maxi dresses into fall. Next, I want to encourage you to find those dresses in your wardrobe that you can put a shirt over instead of under. So this is just my summery gingham dress. It's midi length, so I can definitely transition this to fall. Alright, and shirt up just to make it a little bit more flattering looking. Alright, and I'm going to pair this with my booties for fall. However, feel free to pair this with flats, with sandals, or with sneakers. And it's so easy to add a jean jacket, a cardigan, or even a blazer on top of this if the weather's going to be cool. I completely believe that you could pair this with tights and boots for a more winter look as well. I hope I've inspired you to go into your closet, break out your plain white t-shirts, and pair them with everything you can find to create some chic outfits. Guys, next up, I'm going to link it for you right up here. It's my capsule wardrobe collection for fall. I take 9 different items of clothing, including these 2, and create over 30 outfits with them. It has been a major time saver and a game changer. Guys, I can't wait to see you there. Just reminding you that you are worthy and you are wonderful. Bye, guys.